alone we know. Look in your eyes, close, shatter some skies, breathe some air, then we can sit peacefully, God's will inside. Hear too much at times, masters of ignore. Ask how it's intent, we shall see what we're well to see. The law most think, perception governs belief. Consider these things, we are the free, unbound and shining as you be. Break all chains, together we are. Rose in time, some space in time. Same calling heard, God's call to peace. We can build many things, for now we focus on not saving some dream in a world, but you as all worlds be gone in time. Like all bodies, when we reach, it's multiplied. Only you hear or do not. This is not our job, we sing, still we do not leave. Time is some minutes, according to ego and body. We left this time long ago, all know the end of some things, like body and realm. Together we sing, ask how can we know more? Fair question, climb mountain has many paths. Some say this, some say that. Intent is the governor to all things, so we travel, sometimes alone and marked. Hard world like this with so many lost. But one day you sit, you perch on some branch. After being very tired, listen, call for God, and your voice